so cute. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this half up, half down, curly top bun look. So you want to go ahead and put your heat protectant on your hair, and then you're going to go ahead and detangle and section. Alright, so you want to go ahead and take small sections and go ahead and curl those with your wand or your flat iron, whichever one you have. And then you're just going to go ahead and do that all over the bottom half of your hair. So I was originally going to do my whole head in these curls because I thought it would be so cute, but I started running low on time, so I just said screw it, I'm gonna go ahead and put a top bun on the top half because it was taking way too long to get the curls I wanted, and you know that can still be really cute, you know, with the top bun. So that's what I did. So go ahead and take down the top part of your hair, and then go ahead, brush it out, get all the kinks out, and put it in a ponytail on the middle half of your head. Now, if you like your ponytails and buns really tight, then I mean, you know, put it up the way you do it, but I don't like mine as tight because I normally don't do too much to my hair. So once you get that ponytail holder in, you want to go ahead and separate it into two sections. And you're gonna brush it out, and then you're gonna twist it down. I wanted it to look like a twisted bun, so I went ahead and did that. And then once you twist them down, you're gonna go ahead and pin it in the bun shape. So I went ahead and took some Super Hold gel and a toothbrush. It's actually a pretty soft toothbrush. You don't need something super stiff. So I went ahead and I took that and laid down my edges because I always have issues when I do my hair with my edges. So I just swiped through my hair with my fingers to give it some volume because the ends of my hair is pretty thin. But yeah, that's about it. And then, you know, this is the end result, and I liked it. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll be more than thankful. All right, awesome. Bye. See you next time.